Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family as you all are a part of this family. Today we are going to discuss third poem of your third unit, that is Trust and Care, and poem is Sympathy by Charles Mackay. Before coming to your poem, firstly I want to tell you about your poem in summary. In the poem Sympathy, the poet describes the incidents happened with him. Once he was lying on ground due to some incident and was feeling hopeless and full of sorrow. At this time, a rich man came with money to help him. But he feels that the man has the pride of his money and has no inner feelings for him. After some time, when poet recover and become able to return the favor to the man who helped him, he goes to meet him and return his money and said God will reward him also for his good deed. And one the very similar incident, the poet was again lying down on ground with injuries and full of sorrow. This time a poor man helped him with no money but by taking care of him until he became fully healthy. The man stayed with him and took very care for him, even gave him healthy food to restore the health. This time when he regained his health and status, he don't know how to pay the poor man back because this was not about money, this was about sympathy. Now let's come to your poem. This poem is of your 16 lines poem. In this poem 4 stanzas are there and in each stanza 4 lines are there. Now the poet is saying, I lay in sorrow, in deep distress, my grief a proud man heard. His looks very cold, he gave me gold, but now not a kindly word. The poet is saying he was in distress, he was in grief. Distress, he was suffering from problem caused by something. But his grief, his sadness, his problem is heard by a proud man. He feels that he is a proud man because he helps him, giving him money, not say a single word. Then he say, my sorrow passed, I paid him back the gold he gave to me, then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Charity, giving money, that person helps him when he was in need. Now the poet says, his sorrow passed, his distress passed, he paid him the money that he gave him at the time of distress. He stood there and he said him thanks for his charity, for his help, that God would bless him. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He bound my head. He gave me bread. He watched me night and day. Once again, he was in grief and pain. A poor man passed by that way. He bound his head. Then he tied a piece of cloth around his wound. He gave him bread here, food. He watched me night and day. He even cared him till he got even better. How shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? Now he wants to know how would he pay him back. Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. Now he is saying money is great, but sympathy is more greater than money. In this way, the poet wants to say that apart from financial help, a person also needs mental support in times of distress, in times of problem. A person mind becomes vulnerable. Vulnerable means acceptable to attack in times of crisis. If a person at a time in a problem, and it helps a person get through if he knows that there's another person who would help him, who would share his problem. He wants to say that he the person who is in problem come back to that problem if he feels that another person is there for help him, for sharing her sorrow or his sorrow. In this way, he wants to say sympathy is more valuable than money. Now, students, I am adding a video for making your intonation and rhythm more clear about this poem.
Sympathy by Charles Mackay. I lay in sorrow,
deep depressed.
my grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold, he gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me, then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He bound my head, he gave me bread, he watched me night and day. How shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy.
Dear students, watch this video carefully for making this poem clear, and even listen the video also for making your rhythm and intonation clear. Thank you and have a nice day.